You've just applied to your 69th job and you're fed up getting the same message. After careful consideration, we've decided to move forward with another applicant. Here's 5 coding projects that will get you hired. Todo App. I'm sure you have heard this one already, but if you haven't done it yet, start off by building a Todo App. By coding a Todo App, you learn how to implement all the basic CRUD operations in the backend, a skill that is transferable pretty much to any project. Create an application that allows users to add tasks, edit tasks, and delete tasks. And if you feel a bit more confident, you can allow your users to set priorities and track progress. It helps you demonstrate your ability to deliver a full stack project by building and integrating frontend with the backend. If this sounds interesting, here's how you can do it. In the frontend, design and implement a user-friendly interface to create, update, and delete tasks. In the backend, write the code to handle data storage, task updates, and user requests. Next up on the list is the Events Planning app. Build an application that helps users plan events, manage guest lists, and send invitations. You could top it off with a calendar app integration using Google Calendar API. If you're a fan of front-end development, it's also a great way to show off your ability to design user-friendly interfaces. So this project highlights your skills in calendar integration and user interaction and management. Here's how you can do it. Create a guest list management to allow users to add, edit, and manage guest lists with RSVP tracking. The invitation system should provide features to send digital invitations via email or text. And for the event scheduling, integrate a calendar for setting event dates and sending the reminders, and integrate Google Calendar API. If you're a more experienced developer, you can challenge yourself by building a real-time chat application like Slack or WhatsApp. By building a chat app, you'll dive into the concept of WebSockets, real-time data management, and user authentication. They are all critical skills for impressing your potential employer. Here's how you can work on it. Create a chat feature where users can send and receive messages. This is where you will learn how to work with WebSockets, ensuring smooth and immediate updates without needing to refresh the page. Next up, implement secure login system to allow users to sign up, log in, and manage their accounts. If you add features like avatars or status indicators, whether the user is active or not. And if you want to take it to the next level, try implementing group chats. See how you can handle communication between different people. URL shortener. Have you ever wondered how links get shortened into those tiny clickable URLs? Well, it's your chance to find out and build your own. This project is straightforward but incredibly impactful, showcasing your ability to work with backend logic, database integration, and API handling. Plus, it's a practical tool that's widely used to make it so your portfolio is even more relatable. Here's how you can do it. Write logic to generate short URLs and map them to the original links. Handle redirection by matching short URLs to their long counterparts. Use a database to store and retrieve these mappings efficiently. And in the front end, design a simple interface where users can paste long URLs and get their shortened versions. You can add features like copy to clipboard for convenience. Expense tracker. An expense tracker is a practical tool that helps users log their spending, categorize expenses, and even visualize their financial habits over time. It's not just useful, it's a fantastic way to demonstrate your ability to work with data visualization and management and backend integration. Here's why a project is a great addition to your portfolio. Allow users to record their expenses, including amounts, categories, and dates. This teaches you how to handle user input and store structured data efficiently. Categorization. Let users organize their expenses into categories like groceries, rent, and entertainment. This highlights your ability to build features and make data meaningful. Visualization. Add charts or graphs to help users see their spending patterns at a glance. You can use visualization libraries like chart.js or d3.js. Here's how you can break it down. In the backend, set up a database to store expense records, categories, and user profiles. Build APIs to fetch and update the expense data securely. In the frontend, create a clean interface where users can easily log expenses, integrate the dynamic charts to display spending trends like pie charts for category breakdowns, and that should get you a very nice, wholesome project. Interactive quiz application. Platforms like Kahoot have made learning fun and engaging. Many universities use them to quiz their students during lectures. Build your own interactive quiz app in a fantastic way to showcase your skills while creating something that's both practical and exciting. This project will help you practice user input handling, DOM manipulation, and dynamic content updates, all essential for crafting interactive web experiences. In this app, users should be able to answer questions one at a time, with the app updating dynamically after each response. Add a real-time scoring feature that updates users' answers questions, just like Kahoot does during live sessions. At the end of the quiz, show users their scores and the correct answers. So here's a breakdown. In the front end, build a clean and interactive UI for the quiz, complete with multiple choice options and a progress bar and fancy interactions. Handle user input dynamically so answers are validated and scored in real time. And in the backend, create a database of questions and answers to fetch dynamically for each quiz session. Implement APIs to store user scores and retrieve randomized question tests. And there you have it. 5 amazing coding projects that can help you level up your skills and boost your chances for getting hired. So which project did you find the most interesting? Do you have maybe your own project ideas that you'd like to share in the comments below? Please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more project ideas and coding videos, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.